step by step. It all starts when the jet stream pushes a cold front into a mass of warm, moist air. That causes a thunderstorm. The clash of the two fronts can produce a violent uprushing of air, which is swirled around by the jet stream, and the result is often a deadly funnel cloud. Here at the National Weather Service in Rosemont, forecasters like Carl Williams use sophisticated equipment to keep a watchful eye for tornadoes. They have to be especially alert in spring.
The worst of all tornadoes occur from, say, the middle of March till the middle of June, with a peak occurring about the middle of April.
In the Chicago area, the farther away you are from the lake, the more likely you are to be in a tornado-prone area.
The most prone area in the Chicago metropolitan area is an east-west band across the southern suburbs. Many, many tornadoes have occurred in Joliet, across into Indiana, and they all seem to try to stay away from the lake. Tornadoes are a very short-fused weather phenomenon. They occur for a very short period of time. In a watch, be watchful. Tornadoes don't always occur in the watch areas.
The Weather Service has a tornado alert system with two levels. First, it issues a tornado watch, meaning conditions are right for tornadoes to develop. Then, if a tornado is actually sighted, a tornado warning is announced, meaning it is time to head for shelter.
You want to get to as safe a place in your house as you possibly can. Normally, in the basement, in an inner structure, like a bathroom or a closet or something you have in your base.
You should have these essentials handy and bring them with you: a portable radio, flashlight, extra batteries, candles, fresh water, and blankets. If you don't have a basement, there's an alternative: a hallway. The doors closed behind me, and in a kind of constricted area, here you're safer from flying and falling debris in a tornado situation. With the right precautions,